My name is Wednesday and I am an illustrator, graphic designer, and experimenter of all things based in San Diego, California. I would describe my art style as bright, fun, cute, and fluffy. I love drawing cute things. I always strive to make people smile with my artwork. As an Asian American, I find it's really important to incorporate messages of self-care, self-love, and mental health into my artwork. You know, if my artwork can bring awareness to issues like that or shed some light on an experience that could be very validating to somebody, I feel like I've done my job. Alright, so one of my favorite tricks with Adobe Fresco is drawing on my selfies. So first thing that you want to do is open up a new document and place your photo through here. Open up a new layer. Here is a picture of me holding my tufting gun. It is one of my favorite activities ever. Just going in here and finding some colors that pop out to me. I'm really liking this pink. And picking a sketching brush. So I'm just gonna go in and emphasize all of these lines. Top tip for using Fresco is checking out this smoothing bar over here. And you can slide up and down, and it basically smooths out your pen.